Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a little Olivetti Lettera 22 on the bench. It's got a index problem. So let's say customer stated index does not index. And sure enough, it doesn't. Let's try to. They said it worked every once in a while. This is not working at all. Now, no index. Oh, there it went. I swear it went once, but that's not right. So let's take this apart and see if I remember how to take this knob off over here. I think it's a twist knob, because I'm pretty sure this side has set screws in it. Yeah. So this side has set screws. This side twists off. It's not twisting off very easily. Let me put some wrenches on this thing. Okay, so my plumber's plier fits right around this knob, perfect. It's got these little slots that are just fit right into these slots. Just fits. Grip on that. Just a slight grip, not much. Okay, this side. Need to expand this a little bit here. Alright. Go one more notch out. Okay, that's good. Let's put this back on. Got a decent grip on this one. Okay. Turn this one. And I'm going to go with what I think is counterclockwise up. Yes, that did it. Okay. There's loose. Okay, so let's put this on 0. And we should be able to spin this knob off. Like that. See what kind of access we'll get in here. No, it wasn't much, but put some underneath here. Look up in here. Let's see what's going on here. Moving okay. Oh, there it is. You see that move slowly? That little paw right here. That little paw was sticking. Let's put a little bit of lacquer center on here. Right here in the pivot. Let's see if still sticking. Pull some air through here. Flush it again. That's springing back pretty good now. So yeah, that paw was. That's kind of what I thought it was going to be, a sticky part. That's a good deal. Well, let's just try it real quick here. See if that resolved our issue here. Back on one. If that was it, that is going to be a good, simple repair. Okay, put this back on one. Let's hope for the best. Yes. All right, that looks to be was the problem, was a sticky part. What I want to do now is just put a little red oil in this thing. Right there. Maybe a little on the detent roller. A little back here. A little up here. Air blow it around a little bit. That should do it. Alright, back on 0. Screw the knob back in there. Try to get it super tight. Oh, that's very tight. Back on 1. I think we got this Olivetti resolved. Alright, pretty simple repair on these Olivettis. I have to check for some other sticky parts. They just purchased it, so there are possibility there's some other sticky parts in here, like maybe even the ribbon drive has a tendency to always stick on these. It seems to be working. Shift lock, working. Backspace, working. Okay. Well, that's the video for today. Olivetti Lettera 22. Index Pawl repair. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.